Alright, this might actually be one of the most interesting Vivo phones we've seen in a long time. The new Vivo S60 is officially here, and honestly, Vivo is going all in on the things people actually care about right now. Bigger battery, faster charging, crazy selfie camera, premium design, flagship-level smoothness, and some camera tricks that genuinely look fun instead of feeling like useless marketing. And after looking through all the details, this phone feels like Vivo watched every complaint people had about upper mid-range phones and tried fixing almost all of them in one shot. So if you're into smartphones with insane battery life, powerful cameras, and that sleek premium feel without going fully flagship expensive, stay till the end because this one gets really interesting. And before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe and drop a like because we're covering every major smartphone launch and helping you decide what's actually worth your money. First thing that instantly grabs attention is the design. Vivo changed the camera module this year, and honestly it looks way more premium now. Flat metal frame, cleaner camera island, curved corners, and that polished glass finish gives major flagship vibes. Some people online are already comparing the design to premium iPhones, but personally I think Vivo added enough of its own style here to make it stand out. The starry sea finish especially looks insane under lighting with this reflective texture effect that shifts when the phone moves. It genuinely feels like one of those phones you'd constantly want to pick up just because it looks expensive. And surprisingly, even with the massive battery inside, Vivo still managed to keep the phone slim enough that it doesn't look bulky at all. Now speaking of battery, this thing is honestly crazy. Vivo packed a massive 7,200 mAh battery into the S60, and that is absolutely huge for a phone in this category. We're talking real 2-day battery territory for normal users. Even if you're gaming, recording videos, scrolling social media all day, or using mobile data non-stop, this thing should easily survive a full heavy day without stress. And then there's the charging. 90-watt fast charging means even a battery this huge fills up ridiculously fast. This combination alone could make the Vivo S60 one of the best battery phones of the year because most brands either give big battery with slow charging or fast charging with average battery life. Vivo somehow managed both. Performance also looks solid this year because the Vivo S60 is powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset, according to multiple reports and benchmark listings. And honestly, that's a smart choice. This chip already proved itself in gaming phones and premium mid-range devices. You're getting flagship-style performance without the insane heat and battery drain that some top-end processors bring. So whether you're playing COD Mobile, PUBG, Genshin Impact, multitasking, editing reels, or just keeping dozens of apps open, this phone should handle everything smoothly. Vivo is also pairing it with up to 16 GB of RAM and fast storage, so performance should feel quick for years. But let's talk cameras because this is where Vivo usually goes all out. The Vivo S60 reportedly features a 50-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. And honestly, for a phone in this segment, having a proper periscope zoom camera is a huge deal. Most brands still cut corners here. Vivo is clearly pushing the creator and photography angle hard. Portrait shots should look excellent, zoom quality should be far better than regular digital crop zoom, and Vivo's image processing has already improved massively over the last few years. But the real star for a lot of people might actually be the selfie camera because Vivo included a 50-megapixel front camera with support for high-quality video recording. So if you're someone who records TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or video calls all the time, this thing could actually become your favorite phone camera setup. And Vivo added some pretty wild software camera features too. There's this new starlight effect mode that adds cinematic sparkle effects to videos and photos, customizable live photo grading, and even a feature that creates glasses-free 3D style effects using motion tracking. Some of these features sound gimmicky at first, but honestly Vivo's camera software has been getting more creative lately, and a lot of people genuinely enjoy these fun modes for social media content. Plus, the phone also supports 4K live capture, which is great for creators. The display also sounds seriously impressive. We're getting a 6.59-inch AMOLED panel with up to 144 Hz refresh rate. And that means scrolling, gaming, animations, and general navigation should feel insanely smooth. Vivo displays are usually very colorful and vibrant already, so paired with high refresh rate and likely strong brightness levels, content consumption on this phone should look excellent. Watching Netflix, YouTube, gaming, social media, everything should feel premium. And yes, the phone also includes an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is way faster and more reliable compared to older optical sensors. Another thing I really like is the feature package overall. IP68 and IP69 water resistance, stereo speakers, infrared blaster, X-axis vibration motor, massive battery, fast charging, strong cameras, premium build, smooth display. Vivo basically checked almost every box people usually ask for. That's honestly rare these days because most companies intentionally leave out one or two features to push you toward more expensive models. Here, the S60 feels surprisingly complete. Now, obviously, we still need full real-world testing to know how the cameras truly perform, how good the thermal management is during heavy gaming, and whether Vivo optimized the software properly. But based on everything we know so far, the Vivo S60 honestly looks like one of the strongest upper mid-range phones of 2026. It feels like a phone built for people who want flagship-style experience without spending absurd flagship money. And depending on the final global pricing, this could seriously become a massive hit, especially in Asian markets where Vivo already dominates the camera-focused smartphone space. So what do you think about the Vivo S60? Is this finally the upper mid-range phone that gets almost everything right, or are you still waiting for another brand to surprise everyone this year? Let me know down below because I genuinely want to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on notifications because there are a lot more smartphone launches coming, and you definitely don't want to miss them.